Hi students, in this class we are going to see work done from various processes. So in this graph, if you see pressure versus volume graph is given, and here this is going under two processes, one is X, another one is Y. If you see from A, volume V1, and here is volume D and volume C, VC and VD, which is greater, VC is greater than VD. Okay, VC is greater than VD and volume is increasing through X process. If volume is increasing and pressure versus volume graph, this is work done by the system is positive. Work done by the system is positive. And if you see Y process and it is going back, what is happening to volume? Volume is decreasing. Volume is decreasing, work done by system is negative. Work done by system is negative, then work done on the system it is. Okay, it is not work done by the system, some work is done on the system, so that's why its graph is in opposite direction. Now to get the work done, total work done is nothing but area under the curve, area under the curve in a cyclic process. So graph is coming like this and it's going back. So negative work, which one is more, positive work is more or negative work is more? Positive work means A to B along X process is blue line, it's represented with a blue line, area under the curve. And from B to C, I am writing the red line, B to A, and it is this process and the work done is negative. So this is going to be remove the work added. So how much is the remaining? This remaining portion, remaining blue portion, which is not intermixed with the red one, is actually net work done. Net work done is nothing but area under the curve. So let's go to the different process. Work done in cyclic process and work done in a cyclic process. So let's see first graph. So in this process, volume is increasing at 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first section, work done is positive or negative? Work done is positive because volume is increasing. Second case, volume is constant, work done is 0. And the third case, work done is negative because volume is decreasing. Third case, volume is 0. Net work done is nothing but area in a cyclic process. So this is a cyclic process. Net work done is nothing but area under the total curve. So whatever is within this curve will be the area work done, net work done. Okay, let's go to the other question. What is the work done? So width into length into width, P2 minus P1 into V2 minus V1 is actually the net work done. Let's go to the other question. So here see P1, P2, it is decreasing and pressure is decreasing, but what is happening to volume? Volume is increasing. So this is first, second, third. Volume is increasing, so this is positive work because pressure versus volume graph it is. And second process is negative work. So area under the curve for the first one, if you should subtract this one, and what is the work done here? Work done is 0. The area under the curve is nothing but half into breadth into height. So V2 minus V1 into P2 minus P1 is a work done. So this is the positive work or negative work. Which one is leading? Positive work, because more area under the curve for positive work. So let's see pressure versus volume. Now the graph is volume is decreasing. So in this case, so area under the curve, just whenever you want to find the work is positive or negative, just see the topmost area occupied by the graph. So the first line, the topmost line, which is mentioned with the red line, it is occupying the highest area. So this, see the area volume of this line or this process is increasing or decreasing. Volume is decreasing, so the entire process work will be negative, because in the downward it is positive and here is negative. Which is dominating? Negative work is dominating, so this entire process will be work is negative. So these are all about, one more graph is there, and the process is like this. And when the cyclic process, now what's happening? This is work done is positive or negative? You just tell me. Volume is increasing or decreasing? Volume is increasing. See upper part, volume in this direction, the lower part it is in this direction. Lower part work is negative, upper part work is positive. Which is more? Positive work is more. So how it is looking like? it is looking like a ellipse. Ellipse formula is pi r1 into r2. What is the r1 value? Pi. So r1 is half of the p2 minus p1. So p2 minus p1 by 2, and remaining part, other one, r2 is v2 minus v1 by 2. So this is the positive work. Instead of clockwise, if the anti-clockwise direction it is given, the work will be negative because volume is decreasing. So let's see in non-cyclic process how it varies. In non-cyclic process, see, there is no link here, it's not like linked here. So because it's not linked, we should not neglect that part also. Here C to D, this is a positive work or negative work? This is a positive work. And B to C, some kind of work, it is volume decreasing, volume is decreasing, so it comes up under a negative work. So A to B and volume decreasing, negative work. Which is most dominating? Negative work. So area under the curve for what we should find? Area under the curve for everything. See, whatever dotted line also we should include. So I am drawing with the blue pen, entire area if we find, this will be the net work done. So AB comes down and DC is like this. So total area under the curve. And here you just see how it is looking like. It is like a semicircular part. You should not just calculate semicircular, sir, pi r1 square, pi r square by 2, sir. So if you calculate like that, it's wrong. Pi r square by 2 plus, and here also some, it's like a rectangular part is also included. So you should find area under dotted line also. Now everything is included. So everything is included. So whatever area comes under this graph, the entire area is a net work done. See, he is written A B C D E A. A B C D E A. Entire area we should calculate to get the work done. So here, so circle is not horizontal now, it is a little bit vertical. So what is the change in volume? Change in volume is equal to 0. Is it work done is equal to 0? No. Even the change in volume is equal to 0, the process is following certain kind of, now just see, A to B, volume is decreasing. What kind of process? Negative work for A to B. From B to C, the work is, volume is increasing, positive work. Which is most dominating? Positive work is dominating. So that's the area under the curve you can calculate, you will get a net work done. So it is equal to pi by 2 r1 into r2, okay, if two radius are given. Thank you.